Purr, 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 purr.
Why are you purring? We're about to raid a chicken coop.
I'm lulling them into a false sense of security. It's called strategy, you overgrown slipper.
Strategy? You screamed at the moon for 20 minutes last night.
That was a power ballad. The moon gets me, unlike you.
A power ballad? You think that's going to scare the chickens? You'd scare them more by just being you.
I'm not just being me. I'm sublime, a creature of grace, cunning, and unparalleled charisma. They'll never know what hit them.
Sublime? You tripped over your own shadow 2 minutes ago. The only thing you're lulling into a false sense of security is yourself.
You are just jealous. Now witness my true power. Purr, 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 purr,
Pak, pak,
purr. Oh
pak.
yeah, you see?
Pak, pak.